Our refrigerators are the heart of our kitchens. They are the silent guardians of our food, keeping everything fresh and ready for our next meal. They hold the promise of delicious treats and fresh ingredients, ensuring that we have what we need to create nourishing dishes for our loved ones. However, over time, spills happen, crumbs accumulate, and mysterious odors linger. These messes can turn our once pristine fridges into a breeding ground for bacteria and mold. We often reach for chemical cleaners to tackle the mess, thinking they are the most effective solution. But did you know that these cleaners can be harmful? Many of them contain harsh chemicals that pose risks to our health and the environment. These chemicals can be dangerous for our families, especially for young children and pets who are more vulnerable to their effects. They can also have long-term impacts on our planet. Even after thorough rinsing, these chemicals can linger on surfaces, potentially contaminating our food. This contamination can affect the taste and safety of our food, making it less enjoyable and potentially harmful. Imagine biting into a sandwich that tastes faintly of cleaning spray. It's not just unpleasant, it's a sign that harmful residues are present. Beyond our homes, these chemicals go down the drain, polluting our water systems and harming marine life. The impact of these pollutants is far-reaching and devastating. There's a better way to care for our fridges and our environment: natural cleaning. Using ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon, we can keep our fridges clean and safe without the harmful side effects. Natural cleaning offers a gentle yet effective alternative to harsh chemicals. Using ingredients like baking soda, vinegar, and lemon, we can achieve a sparkling clean fridge without compromising our health or the environment. These natural powerhouses are safe for children and pets, and they leave your fridge smelling fresh and clean. Natural cleaning is not just about switching ingredients, it's about adopting a mindful approach and understanding the impact of our choices on our well-being and the planet's health. You don't need a cabinet full of harsh chemicals to clean your fridge effectively. A few simple, natural ingredients are all you need to tackle dirt, grime, and odors. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that absorbs unpleasant smells and gently scrubs away stubborn stains. Vinegar, with its acidic properties, cuts through grease and grime, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. Lemon is a natural disinfectant that freshens the air and adds a bright, citrusy scent. Finally, microfiber cloths are essential for their ability to pick up dust and dirt effectively without scratching surfaces. Before we get started, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. And click the link below to join our free community, Made for Women, and get your free copy of our cleaning checklist today. Come with us while we walk you through the process to ensure your fridge is spotless and hygienic using natural ingredients. Let's begin by emptying the fridge completely. Take out all the food items and place the perishables into a cooler. Non-perishables can go on your kitchen counter. This will give you a clear view of what needs to be cleaned. Discard expired items and leftovers you won't eat. This is a great opportunity to declutter and make space for fresh groceries. Remove all shelves and drawers. Taking these out will make it easier to clean every nook and cranny of your fridge. Next, run some warm water into your bathtub and mix in 1 cup of vinegar and 2 or 3 teaspoons of dish soap. Place all of the plastic shelves and drawers in the warm water to soak for 30 minutes. Let the glass items warm up before placing them in warm water so they don't shatter. Meanwhile, prepare a cleaning solution by mixing equal parts water and white vinegar, with a few drops of dish soap in a spray bottle. This natural solution is effective in cutting through grime and is safe for food storage areas. Spray this solution generously on the fridge's interior walls and doors. Make sure to cover all surfaces, including the corners and crevices. Let it sit for a few minutes to loosen grime. This waiting period allows the solution to break down any tough stains or sticky residues. Next, dip a clean microfiber cloth in warm water and wring it out well. The warm water will help in removing the loosened grime more effectively. Wipe down all surfaces, rinsing your cloth frequently. Work from left to right, top to bottom, making sure to clean every part of the fridge, including the door seals and the back wall. For stubborn stains, sprinkle some baking soda on the affected area. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub gently with a damp cloth or sponge. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive that helps lift stains without scratching surfaces. For sticky spills, use a mixture of baking soda and water to create a paste. This paste is excellent for tackling those hard-to-remove spots. Apply it to the spill and let it sit for a few minutes before wiping it away. This will ensure that even the toughest spills are cleaned up, leaving your fridge fresh and spotless. Next, wipe the fridge again, this time with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. This will remove the last traces of the cleaning solution and any streaks that are left from the first round. Return to the bathtub and begin scrubbing the plastic shelves and drawers with a non-scratch sponge. Rinse the items and dry them completely with a microfiber towel. Then, put the glass pieces in the tub for 30 minutes, while you place the plastic items back in the fridge. Now scrub the glass pieces, rinse them well, and dry them with a microfiber towel. Replace the last of the shelves and drawers. Wipe each item before placing it back in the fridge so that everything will be sparkling clean. Tips and tricks for lasting cleanliness. Keeping your refrigerator clean and organized is essential for both hygiene and efficiency. Once your fridge is sparkling clean, follow these tips to maintain its freshness. Regular maintenance can save you time and effort in the long run. Wipe up spills immediately to prevent them from hardening. This simple action can prevent stains and make your cleaning routine much easier. Place an open box of baking soda in the back of the fridge to absorb odors. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and can keep your fridge smelling fresh for weeks. Line shelves with washable liners for easier cleaning. These liners can be removed and washed, making it simple to keep your fridge spotless. Avoid overcrowding the fridge, as this can restrict airflow and lead to odors. Proper organization ensures that air circulates freely, keeping your food fresh for longer. By adopting these simple habits, you can enjoy a clean, fresh-smelling fridge and prolong the life of your food. A well-maintained fridge not only looks good, but also functions more efficiently. Remember, a clean fridge is more than just an aesthetic pleasure. It's an investment in your health and well-being. Keeping your fridge clean can prevent foodborne illnesses and ensure that your food stays fresh and safe to eat. Leave us a comment below telling us which is your favorite hack. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll see you in the next episode.